Hey everybody, it's Ben here. It's a beautiful spring day and I just got my electric bill in the mail. A couple of years ago, I installed solar panels myself on my garage and my family drives electric vehicles. So what does all this mean for my electric bill, especially since now I'm also on a time of day plan, but lately with all that's been going on in the world, we've been kind of trapped at home a bit lately as well. So let's take a look, and no joke, this is legitimately my electric bill. You see it at the same time that I do. I don't know what it's gonna be. My best guess is that it's gonna be a credit. We did actually earn a small credit last month. So I'm gonna say the power company owes me $30, just a guess. Let's take a look here. And our bottom line number, amount due, -$45.07. So actually for my current charges, the power company owes me $33.56, and we still had a credit of $11.50 from last month. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. It's beautiful weather. This time of year is great because it's sunny, but the temperatures are still pretty cool, which is perfect for solar. Believe it or not, a time like August is actually worse for solar because the solar panels don't make quite as high of a voltage when it's a really high temperature out, so they don't make as much total power. Still, I'm excited about this. You have to remember too that it's not just that I saved $45. I didn't pay an electric bill, period, and they owe me $45. And I didn't have to go out and earn $100 or whatever my electric bill would have been to then pay taxes on it and then just use what I had left over to pay the electric bill. So this is a really win-win-win kind of a situation. And I'm going to post a photograph of this at 300mpg.org so you can take a look all the way through it. If you have any questions, just ask, but make sure first to check out the blog entry at 300mpg.org about the solar project. I hope you like solar. I hope you like learning about things the way that I do. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And until next time, stay charged up.